plump, juicy lips. Done. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and my name is Raya for those of you who are new here. Today we'll be going to do a makeup look that is suitable for school. So if you want to learn how to do this, then keep on watching. Okay, let's start. Let's start with the base. I'm using the Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One BB Cream in the shade 2 Natural, and this has SPF 21++. So this is a good on-the-go product. I'm just using my hands, and this will just make your skin tone more even. And I like products like this because on school days, usually in the mornings, I don't have enough time to do all the routines. So a product like this is very good because you can use your fingers, and your fingers help blend the product easily. So in the areas where I need a little bit more help, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige, and it looks like this. And I'll use that to cover my pimples and basically conceal those dark circles. This is another good product because it's creamy and it can be blended with your fingers. I'm using my ring finger because this has the lightest pressure on it, and I'm just tapping the product into the skin to firmly blend it out. I'm also adding this to the center of my face just to brighten that area a bit, and of course covering my dark circles. Next step is to take your lip and cheek tint. Here I'm using the Ever Belena in the shade Nightberry, and this has a similar shade to my Tansy lip and cheek tint Love in the Moonlight, which is my all-time favorite shade. And I'm just putting it here on the cheek part, connecting it on the nose bridge, so that will get that drunk look effect. And I'm adding it on top of my base or without any powder on because I want it to blend seamlessly. When you use water tints like this over powders, it will get splotchy or patchy. So blend it over cream products first. Most people find it unnecessary to add bronzer, but I think it's an important step so that you won't look very pale as a ghost. So I'm taking the Ever Belena bronzer and just bronzing the outer perimeters of my face. I'm also dragging some onto my eyelids just so you know there's some depth and definition there without really adding heavy eye makeup. Just a little something something. Next is eyebrows. Here I'm using the Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe, and this is a very good product for school days because it has a brow pencil and the spoolie on the other end. You don't need another brush to have your spoolie because it's already in one product, and for the price of 150 pesos, that's a good bargain already. So if you find brow pencils like this with spoolies on the other end, then that's a great deal. And look, this shade is very on point for black hair, and it makes it look very natural, don't you think? Curl your lashes, especially if you're wearing glasses, and put on your favorite mascara. Here I'm using the Hyper Curl, this Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express in the waterproof edition. And this one from Maybelline is so good for natural makeup, for everyday makeup, especially since it's waterproof. This won't budge after all of your school activities. It will stay there. We're down to the last step. I'm just taking the same lip and cheek roller and I'll put that all over my lips.